Hello everyone, this is Bronicalc and welcome back to the American Regions Math League Individual Challenge. Once again, we are doing 2014, this time problems 3 and 4, explained in 10 minutes or less. And without further ado, we begin now. So, we have 6 people. Well, Bobby, Peter, Greg, Cindy, Jan, Marcia. And they're going to get in some line, so without anything else, if there are no restrictions, there are 6 factorial ways for them to get in line, but there are obviously going to be restrictions, since this is a problem 3 on a high school exam. In an acceptable lineup, Greg is ahead of Peter, so let's assume this is the front. Greg is ahead of Peter, Peter's ahead of Bobby, Marcy is ahead of Jan, Jan's ahead of Cindy. So this is an acceptable lineup right here. So if we consider this, we have Greg, Peter, and Bobby need to be in one order. 1 out of 3 factorial possible orders, so we divide by 3 factorial. Same goes for these 3, so we divide by 3 factorial for them as well. And this is 6 choose 3, which you might remember is 20. And that is the correct answer, so we move on to the next one. So, in triangle ABC, we have AB is, we have A is 12, B is 17, and C is 13. So since this is side B, this is angle B, side C, angle A. So we want B cos C minus C cos B. Okay, so if we draw this, the altitude right here, then we know that cos is going to be whatever this is. This is going to be our B cos C. And this is going to be our C cos B. So we want the difference between those two parts. Well, if we can find the altitude, then we can just use the Pythagorean theorem and move on from there. So, the area of all of this, we'll use Heron's formula, which is given by, we find the suming perimeter, 17 plus 13 is 30, plus 12 is 42, divided by 2 is 21, and we multiply that by 21 minus 17 is 4, 21 minus 13 is 8, 21 minus 12 is 9, take the square root, and that is equal to, the 9 comes out, 4 and 4 times 2, so we leave a 2, and that's going to be 12, square root, we have 2 times 3 times 7 is 42, which means our altitude here is 2 root 42, which means B cos C is going to be the square root of 289 minus 4 times 42, 84, 168. And this is 121, which is 11. And C cosine of B is going to be 13 squared is 169. Once again, minus 168. This is going to be square root of 1, which is 1. So, B cos C minus C cos B is 11 minus 1 is 10. And that is also the correct answer, which means we are done. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, things I have to say as a YouTuber. And I will see you for the next one. Peace out.